Here is a quick and easy way to draw a hexagon. Welcome back to another EGD video. In today's video, I'll show you how to construct a hexagon. For this example, I will use the given side length of 50, that is line AB, and as always, I'll use a blue pen to show my construction lines. Start off by adjusting your compass to the full side length and apply the middle point method on point A and B above the given line. Place your compass on the sectioning point created by the middle point method. Use the side length as your radius for your circle. Draw the circle so that it sections through point A and B. You can then take your compass and use the side length to determine your sides for your hexagon. If it is required, label these points as C, D, E, and F. You can also use numbers to label these points. After doing that, you can construct your hexagon. As you can see, a very simple method on how to draw a hexagon. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future content. If you have any recommendations or suggestions for future videos, leave me a comment in the comment section down below. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.